was just sent this 6-pack of TSA approved clear toiletry makeup bags. They are waterproof design. They're 6.9 by 4.7 by 2.2. So they'll be able to hold little liquids and things like that. Easily put them into your travel bags. Got a few things you can put in each one, and you can actually see what is in all of them. And that makes it really nice. And you can also color code because there are several different colors that come in this pack. You just put each little item in here. Like I said, you can see what is in all of them, and then you just zip them closed and they're sealed in there, and you can see what is in every single item, so you can easily get stuff out and know where they are in your suitcase. If you're in the airport and somebody wants to check something, you can easily see everything. So I really appreciate how easy these are. I love the colors, especially this pink one. These are really nice and handy. And I also appreciate the waterproof design, because if you did get something that happened to leak, you know that it's in there and not all over your luggage.